Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Stig. Despite the quarantine, we'll still have our reviews going since we got hold of a very special phone right now, which is this one, which is the Realme 6i. And we'll just do a quick unboxing of this one so you can see what's inside. And if you are interested in getting one, let's check on the details where you can order despite the quarantine. So let's open this one up. And of course has, hey, welcome to the Realme family. Fine. So this is the jelly case, a quick guide and important information guide. Very essential. And of course we have the actual unit, which is the Realme 6i. This one is green tea color. Just go through some of the specifications. It runs on Android 10, Realme UI, has a dual SIM, which is located here. Okay, so you have of course the volume up and down, you have the power button, you still have the fingerprint sensor at the back, you still have the flash, and you have these 4 cameras. And I kind of dig this green tea look because it's kind of rare for a phone camera to have color green for their lineup. But of course you have the front facing camera, which is a teardrop camera, which is much smaller compared to the old to the previous models. So let's open this one up. There you go.
While we're waiting for the phone to boot up, let's check out the other accessories inside the box.
You have the charger, the plug-in charger, which is kind of bigger than I expected it to be. But here's actually the interesting part. It's now a Type-C cord. So as you can see, it now runs on a Type-C cable. We're done with the basic configuration. We'll just quickly try the camera, which is this one. Okay. So there you go. So this one is the Realme 6i with the jelly case, and it looks neat. You can still see the green tea color of the phone, which is what I like. Although it's a little bit darker. And yes, it feels like my Realme 5, although it's much more, I would say, wider because of the screen aspect ratio. And I'm looking forward to the functions of this phone, which we will put in our full review very soon. So keep posted. And again, thank you for watching Stig and Manuel's Life. This has been FPJ.